Okay. Yeah, then comes this question, grade 10 waves. It says electromagnetic radiation, EMR, is a form of energy produced by oscillating electric and magnetic fields. Question says, briefly describe how EMR is propagated. How does it travel? Actually, the answer to this question is in the statement. Okay, when you go beyond this level, you realize that varying electric field produces magnetic field, and the varying magnetic field produces electric field, and that's the principle on which EMR is propagated. That when electric field varies, it produces a magnetic field which is perpendicular to it, and when the magnetic field varies, it produces an electric field which is perpendicular to it. So that's the method or the process by which electromagnetic radiation is propagated. Let us put it down. Then comes the next question. It says, briefly explain how electromagnetic radiation are produced. So, how are electromagnetic radiation produced? How are EMR produced? When a charge accelerates, accelerating means changes in velocity, then that acceleration leads to production of electromagnetic radiation. So EMR are produced every time a charge accelerates. Let us put that one down. So that is that. EMR are produced when an electrically charged particle accelerates or decelerates, or during oscillation of magnetic or electric fields. Okay, let us go to the next question. Okay, then comes the next question. It says, list any 4 properties of EMR, electromagnetic radiation. Any 4. Okay, EMR has so many properties, but there are some which are very, very important. Let us list some of them. 1, they don't require medium for propagation, so they can travel through vacuum. That one is very important because that one differentiates it from what? From a physical wave like sound waves. Sound waves cannot travel through vacuum. It requires a medium for propagation. But EMR, it doesn't require any medium, so it can pass through vacuum. Secondly, the speed of sound, the speed of electromagnetic radiation is enormous. It's very high. It is a 3 times 10 power 8 meters per second. In other words, it is 300 million meters every second. That's quite fast. Okay, another one is it exhibits the other properties which are exhibited by other sounds. It undergoes reflection, it undergoes refraction. So let us put down some of them. They are transverse in nature. So that is it. Let us list them down. Okay. Then comes the next question. It says, EMR, electromagnetic radiation spectrum, is made up of 7 types of radiations. Write them down in order of increasing frequency. Okay, so how do we recall the order of these radiations? People use different acronomy for remembering, but me, I use this. I use R mevuxage. That's the order of increasing frequency, where R has the least frequency and G has the highest frequency. So what does each of this one represent? R represents radio waves. Okay. M represents microwaves. I represents infrared radiation. V represents visible light. U represents ultraviolet. X represents X-ray. And G represents gamma rays. That's the order of increasing frequency. Radio has the least or the smallest frequency, and gamma has the highest. Okay. So with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and me, Richard here. We urge you to subscribe, to like, to comment. Yes, we believe you will not regret. Like I always say, time will tell. This is bound to be the best channel in this aspect ever. See you next time. Bye bye.